Taban produce, when we are recording, we have so many people on ground. Movie 10 wo, awani kokole wo. Crew. Sometimes a little 20, 15, you know, thereabouts. Sometimes maybe tí room yẹn bá fẹ́ kéré bákan. Ó lè má gba èrò tó yẹn. On some people tó ń sọ wípé bóyá wọ́n pe Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà fún movie ni or no movie. Wípé wọ́n tàn wípé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe film.
Ní tèmi ẹ káàbọ̀ padà sórí ètò yín ètò wa lónìí a ó máa sọ̀rọ̀ nípa arábìnrin yìí Bímbọ́ Akínsànyà tí ó clear bí gbogbo rẹ̀ ṣe rí lẹ́ẹ̀rin arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ àti Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ó tú àṣírí ó dẹ̀ sọ gbogbo rẹ̀ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin yìí.
Sometimes truly a lè rò pé room yìí ó kéré káwọn crew kan bọ́ síta. But I will tell you one fact. Kò sí bí a ṣe lè kéré tó nínú room yẹn. Director must be there. Makeup artist must be there. Continuity must be there. We pé kò tiẹ̀ wá zero. Our director must be there. Òun ló máa direct. Continuity. Mo mọ̀ pé àwọn kan ti fẹ́ máa roast. Wọ́n ti fẹ́ máa ṣépè fúnra wọn bí tí mo ti mọ̀ mú yẹn. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ mú láti bẹ̀ ni. Wọ́n ti believe pé maybe mo fẹ́ side yẹn ni mo ṣe ń sọ pé bóyá sometimes kò kí n zero. I know what I'm saying. Let's be frank. Tó bá jẹ́ movie ni bó ṣe sọ mi bá wọn sí ńbẹ̀ ní tilẹ̀ ń tọ́ náà director máa wà ńbẹ̀ tó máa sọ pé movie dẹ̀ làwọn ṣe wẹ́ ṣe sọ́dọ̀tọ̀ makeup artist máa wà ńbẹ̀ continuity máa wà ńbẹ̀ bí ò tẹ̀ sáwọn míì ńbẹ̀ bí ròbà tẹ̀ sí ńbẹ̀. So lórí ìyẹn àwa kan lè má believe pé movie ni ṣé yẹn ni mo fẹ́ sọ ṣá ṣé yẹn nìkan ni àbí mo ti ní nǹkan míì abẹ́ ti jẹ́ kí n gbàgbé. So ìyẹn that on that yes lórí yẹn nìyẹn so àwọn tó ń kọ movie script kìíní kan nìyẹn má yẹ ká tanra wa wípé maybe ó wá ṣe gangan mi ò mọ̀ bóyá ó ti ṣe rí behind the camera before that very day or not bóyá ó enter ọmọ yẹn mi ò mọ̀ bàbá ibẹ̀ everyone thanks for the gift mi ò mọ̀ but the video that I saw there are some things tẹ́mi ò kí ń wò bọ́lọ̀ ṣe dá mi ni ibi tí wọ́n bá ti ń nàyàn àwọn tó súnmọ́ mi mọ̀ pé mi lè dúró nǹkan tó bá ti ń involve ẹ̀jẹ̀ mi lè dúró mo rí fídíò yẹn ó fọwọ́ sẹ́nu báyìí mo dẹ̀ stop that is me mi lè wò I do not have a girl child mo bímọ ọkùnrin ayé ẹ máa bàjẹ́ ni má dájú ọmọkùnrin mi mo burú gan mi ò ní girl child ṣé wá ti rí ọmọ ọkùnrin tí mo ní mi yẹn mo ti sorry. The first time that sọ̀rọ̀ Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà was the time he was released from prison. Okay, what is the next thing? They really discuss yes, I saw nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀. But now, topic yẹn ti change insane and discuss interview ti Biola Grant. My own son. Okay, ebi ni last born insane. So mi lè sọ pé mo nábùrò of my family, I'm the last born. But of course I have nephews. I have nieces. But ọmọ mi mọ̀ wípé he cannot tell me I am sitting on Uncle Michael's lap. Kò gbọ́dọ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo ti fi tọ́ láti lẹ́yìn o lè jókòó sẹ́sẹ̀ uncle o lè jókòó sẹ́sẹ̀ auntie cause uncle lè máa lẹ something kó máa lẹ mọ́ ẹ lára àti bẹ́ẹ̀ ọkùnrin gan tó sọ wípé auntie kan ló dí ìbàjẹ́ àwọn auntie kan ló ṣe kinní kan and you know Ọlọ́run bá wa sọmọ Ọlọ́run ṣọ́ gbogbo wa èmi prefer pé ká wá ọ̀nà tí nǹkan ò fi ní happen dépò tá fi máa wá therapy tá máa nípa ọmọ yìí máa need therapy that is me mi ìnákan mi nẹ́mi torí mi ní forgive ẹ. You cannot see me watching Big Brothers. Mama, so no. There are some things I don't want my child to be seeing. So me call them Big Brothers Naija o. But check him out wo. A dem ma bi lórí Instagram. Pa ma ni wọ́n da duvet bora wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan lábẹ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ko mo mi ma rí pokùnrin àtòbí mi wọ́n gbé wọ́n wà lábẹ́ duvet ni. Bo me fẹ́ explain it. So fine, Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. So nípa nǹkan mi, ṣé ti rí. Ní time yẹn, a gbọ́ wípé àwọn kan gangan ló ṣe Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ṣe fún kí gbogbo yín tó gbọ́ èmi àti Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà pàdé location kọ́ tiẹ̀ tó kí wọ́n kó tó lọ sí prison kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ kíní kan ó dẹ̀ explain fún mi wọ́n ọ̀dà woman náà á dẹ̀ sọ ohun ò ṣe woman náà sọ pé kò ṣe in fact àwọn tó ṣe gangan mọ arrest wọn bọ̀bọ̀ kan gateman ilé yẹn àti one other guy ó ń gbé lókè ilé yẹn ìgbà tí mo gbọ́ inú bí mi kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbọ́ sínú òní bí pòkè àwọn méjì yẹn dà why tó máa jẹ́ òun nìkan ni wọ́n fẹ́ nail ṣó ní reason bet kọ́kọ́ tó wà ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ ká má ṣe Ọlọ́run ó possible kó jẹ́ pé àwọn méjì yẹn wà lóòótọ́ tó ṣe. At the same time, ó lè jẹ́ wípé àwọn tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà kọ́rọ̀ lè fi dùn náà ló ṣe sọ pé gateman kan wà níbì kan tó ń ṣe, èèyàn kan wà lókè níbì kan agunla I side to my brother tó ń ṣe. So nǹkan tó bá fi ṣojú èmi ò ń dá sí. Ó máa mi fẹ́ really go deep. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé gateman kan wà níbì kan lóòótọ́ tí wọ́n jẹ́ kí ó escape, èèyàn kan wà lóòótọ́ tí wọ́n fight, well, ó kù wọn ó kù Ọlọ́run. Ó dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ wípé kọ́rọ̀ yẹn lè dùn làwọn tí bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà ṣe ń dọ́gbọ́n sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wípé after all òun nìkan kọ́. Now ṣé màá wá sọ wípé àwọn kan ṣàṣe lóòótọ́ bàbá kan wà lókè ọba sùn èèyàn kan ṣe was I there? Mi ní sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Mi ìdí ẹni sọ pé wọ́n kọ́ bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ní lọ́ ṣe parọ́ pé ọkàn gbèsè yìí tèmi fojú mi rí. Ọmọ mi ọkùnrin má bá mi fi ọwọ́ ẹsẹ̀ nu mi ò gbà. There was a day mo wà ní living room pẹ̀lú house help mi. Mọ́jọ máa ń ṣeré ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ ni mo máa ń pè. Ìyẹn wá ń try láti máa ṣe báyìí fún. That is one other thing tí mi like. Má ti kú ọmọ mi. Ọjọ́ yóò dàbí kó jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ ni. Ikọ́ tó fi máa tí kú ọmọ tó máa dùn mọ́ wọn. Maybe ará oko ni mí. Mi ò fẹ́. Má bá mi rí ọmọ mi ní gàgì. Ṣé nǹkan tó ń pè mí yẹn? Tí ọmọ yẹn bá ti enjoy ẹ̀, from there náà máa dùn mọ́ wọn, wọ́n lè máa ṣe nǹkan mi. Sorú yẹn sì mo stop ẹ̀ láàrin òun àti house help mi because mi lè pè kó lè yé yín gan kẹ́lẹ̀ understand ni mo sọ pé house help on a normal day we don't call her house help. Ó ti wà pẹ̀lú mi like 6 years and òun kọ́ ni the first help tí mo máa ní tó bá ti dé báyìí máa sọ fọ́mọ mi this is your sister. So wọ́n máa mọ̀ as sister àwọn family and friends wọ́n máa yí pé àjọ ń ṣe pọ̀ àjọ máa wọṣọ àjọ máa ṣe everything ni ẹni tó bá house help mi gan ó wà òkè ju ọmọ tẹ́lómi ìbínú ẹ̀ lọ that is me. Bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo fẹ́ pé understand sorry mi sọ pé house help tẹ́lẹ̀ mọ̀ mo wá sọ fún pé láyé má bá mi ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ fún òun rìn gàgì òun jẹ́ kó máa mi ìfẹ́ mo dẹ̀ wọ́n ọmọ mi náà mi ìfẹ́ rẹ̀ rẹ̀ bẹ̀yẹn kọ́sẹ́ mi yí ẹ̀gbọ́n mi máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó máa dùn ẹ̀ máa ibà ibi tí gbogbo wa nìyẹn sí bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn. So èmi tí mi ìbá lè gbà yẹn pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi ọkùnrin of course tó bá jọ́ ọmọbìnrin kọ́ àmàyà wèrè tán síbẹ̀ ni ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn single mother I cite you. So that is me lórí yẹn. But bí a kì í wá okay trendy gist sọ pé maybe bí Biola ṣe interview ó wà okay because some people are really dragging Biola for that.
No, let me break that. Okay. Tabafa, based on professionalism, as a journalist, she can interview Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, okay? But the content of the interview, that is what we have a problem with. The content of the interview is like refreshing what we are trying to like forget. So Biola interview and Biola said something. I thought he wants to come and apologize. Kiniko. Sis, now between me and you, that is not a live chat. That is a program. They sat in a studio and shoot the thing, edit and everything. In an apology, that was what triggered me most. She apology, but you never said one single sorry throughout the whole interview. Let's be sincere. Him giving him a platform to speak is not a problem, but the content that came out is the problem Nigerians are talking about. If Baba has come out and say, oh, Ejo, my bear, kiniko. You know now Nigerians are pity party, soft skinny now. But he came out, often welcome, crying, show, die, everything. So I don't have a problem with Biola granted interview, but the content of the interview is very poor to our society. And that is not what that platform stands for.
So can I have to
Okay, okay, go ahead, please, Mr. Please. Go ahead, please.
Okay, thank you. Because most of you actually more Anibi Shani, but most of you have patiently listened to everybody and you've spoken well. Even Bimbo herself spoke well. Biola, I know her very well. And Trending, I've been on your page before. The part you said that Biola, if you listen to the interview very carefully, that's not where I'm just trying to say this before I go into what I have to say. If you listen to the interview very well, Biola was even pushing it to Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. Like he did it. But Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà was actually saying, oh shit. See, let me tell you, part of the enabler standing in Nigeria is the government. I'm going to go there. And let me tell you, at first, it's not because he didn't do it. He did it. Oshe. Because anyone he can go and anyone set up. We want to set up like Sister Bimbo said. He is not really like if you're acting movies. There are things you actually know. There are people that actually need to be in a place of acting. To my account, acting. Let's assume. Let's agree. Oh shit, and that's clear. But EBT, Nigeria alone enable most of these things. We want to stay clear. Like somebody, that's why I was tackling Nife from even the comment section when she was making reference to R. Kelly and she was comparing it to Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà. There are different countries. Investigation thorough before going to arrest the R. Kelly. Do you know how long it took them to do that investigation? kí America tó
Yes.
múyàn. That's
For
where I
how many
live.
years?
Kí wọ́n tó lè múyàn ní America kó ṣe nǹkan. Even when they have accused you of it, you'll still be living like every other person.
You know how many years it take them to get us popping?
Until that overwhelming evidence like this. You have no other reason but to apologize. R. Kelly, is he not in prison? Is he not still producing music? Prison. I can show you like 5 albums that is even appealing to current President Donald Trump to let him out of the prison. If you don't listen to R. Kelly, Google it and see. They let him go to studio from that place. No, Baba IJESHA to Washington. She come out studio money. He needs to move on. Fine, if he tag it, if he bracelet,
I don't want to distract you.
Okay.
When Baba IJESHA came out, he sang a song. That song, did you listen to the content of that song?
That's exactly what I'm saying. Only calling Tobago. If he bracelet.
No, not only calling Tobago. The content of that song. See, I don't want to be upset on this platform. This is very, very nice.
Hold on. I'll let you speak. Hold on. I don't want you to kill my line of thought. That's why I said you should hold on. So listen. I have not listened to the song. Let me put it that way first to you. Now, Toba Corin, what I said, only Corin Tobago ko mean pe only Corin yen. Do you get? Only lo she movie Tobago. That's what I'm saying. Only lo she anything Tobago. And if you break, the only thing that they need to do, come fi bracelet or tag, see let's say sex offender lady. Come tag ko wa nbe. Anybody Toba decide lati gba si ọrùn ẹ ló wà. That's what they do here. I live here. I know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I agree with you on that. Even though, let me ask you.
No, because we have social security, right? In Nigeria, she wants to share NIN. What if you see that this guy is a sex offender? First of all, he share job, any federal government, private job, whatever on your own. He share only which is the music. That's what I'm saying about R. Kelly. Don't call him right now. Because he share anything that does not have to do with anybody, that you don't have to report to anybody about you or whatever, that's what you can do. But I don't want to go deep on that. I want to comment to what MLF said. The other guy, the moderator, said, not only women are being whatever. It is everybody, both males, child, and stuff. Like Sister Bimbo said, look at it. Won't be almost said, sharing really anything bad about it. But right now, to change, who wants a child? Look, you can imagine how embarrassing it could be. Kenya can call your man, go hug me, go say my foju, embarrassing, but I already bet to everything really bad. So I'm not going to blame anybody who does that or who's doing that or who would do that. But I can feel see awareness about what. See everybody why okay, these are the things we don't want to call my just like they are doing right here. We can see it even on the internet. One must form a touching down to be 3 years. When the teacher touch it this way, is it a good touch or a bad touch? How about a bad touch? When the teacher, so a male guy touch it this way, what do you respond to the guy? That's a bad touch. Don't touch me that way. So see everybody to me education, taught you were educated about how to behave in town or wherever you go. Things will be easier. See, government not there to stay clear. Let me tell you again why I say the government are the enablers. We need the same country to live. That's for Nibo outside Yoruba. Ni Ibomi. I feel I'm 5 years old. Why they to my celebrating? Why they to me go at in the Senate house? On who are senators will say, in the same country that we live, the same law does not bind us. Why are we still talking? Why are we not? Public figure. That's why we heard it. Do you know how many of these things are going around and people are not, even when they nail them, when they take them to jail, they still don't even tag it on, they still don't put their names. They still don't, tag it anywhere that these guys, today, they'll still do the same thing. Like MLF said, a lot of lives have been damaged. A lot of people, girl, child, male child, his life has been damaged just because of all of these things. So I wouldn't want to say it from the beginning to the end because I cannot say everything. While I was even talking about most of the things to my person, but I can tell you that's it because comment section. Comment section.
Comment section.
So because I really want to talk about what people are really talking about.